A mysterious disappearance has created concern in the Madhuban Kathaltali area under Amtali police station. The missing woman Malika Karmakar Roy has been untraceable since Tuesday afternoon. According to family members, Malika, the younger daughter of Jagadish Karmakar of West Anandanagar, was married to Sappu Ranjan Roy of Madhuban Kathaltali around 12 years ago. The couple has a 10-year-old daughter and relatives say their family life has been normal without any known dispute. On Tuesday afternoon, Malika informed her family that she was going to IGM hospital. Before leaving, she also called her brother-in-law and asked him to look after her daughter after she returned from school. However, when she failed to return home by evening, her husband tried contacting her over the phone but found her mobile switched off. Growing suspicious, he informed her parental family. Both families searched for her throughout Tuesday night but could not trace her. As there was still no sign of Malika by Wednesday morning, her husband and her parental family launched a missing diary at Amtali police station. On Thursday morning, her father Jagadish Karmakar approached the media and appealed for help in tracing his missing daughter.
দিন আমার মেয়ে আমার বাড়ির থেকে আইজিএম যাইব কইয়া 12টার দিকে তারা কইল এই আমার পুত্রার ছেলে অমিত নাম ফোন করে কইছে এই আমার মেয়ের ঘরে নাতিনটা স্কুল থেকে আসবো কিন্তু তাই দেখিস আমি আইজিএম যাইতেছি কিন্তু আমি তার থেকে শোনা কথা আমি ঠিক জানি না কিন্তু এদিকে গেল এখন পর্যন্ত আর কোনো খবর নেই।
কোন জায়গাতে আপনার এই মেয়ের জামাই বাড়ি?
বা এটা হলো এই মধুবন এটা ঠিকানা এখনো আছে কোন দিকে
মধুবনের এদিকে?
হ্যাঁ মধুবনের দিকে কাতলতলি মধুবন।
কত বছর আগে বিয়ে দিয়েছেন?
বিয়ে দিচ্ছি 2014।
আপনার এই
12 বছর।
Police at Amtali police station have begun an investigation following the complaint. Officers are also examining whether there are any other circumstances behind the women's disappearance. The incident has sparked concern and widespread discussion in the Madhuban Kathaltali area as residents await further developments. Bureau Report, Fact Finder.